Are you running coaching institute or are you helping students to prepare for the various competitive exams related to management or banking? Do you want to automate their mock practice exams so that it will be better for the students while preparing for the various competitive exams? Or do you want to take your training or coaching institute to the next level with the use of technology? So today I am going to share some of the techniques that will help you to automate your mock practice exam for your students. So stay tuned. So in today's competitive world, there are a lot of entrance exams coming or a lot of competitive exams related to banking, finance or management are coming up. And if you are running a coaching institute, then you might be focusing on training providing training to those students about various topics, subtopics associated with the entrance exam. And practice is a must in order to prepare those students for various entrance exam. And if you are planning to conduct mock exams or if you are already conducting mock exams, then it is essential to use technology. You can take your online exam from paper-based environment to the completely paperless environment. So first step while preparing your students for the mock exam will be, you need to define your question bank. So while defining your question bank, you need to have a name of the topics, subtopics as well as subjects ready. And while defining the questions, you can tag those questions based on the difficulty level, like easy difficulty level, medium difficulty level or very high difficulty level based questions. Even questions can have various attributes like conceptual question, definition oriented question or even objective question, or as well as you can define the subjective question as well. So Eklavya platform provides the online question bank management facility where you can define your own question bank as per your hierarchy like subject, topic, subtopic as well as difficulty level. So once your question bank is readily available, the next key step would be you can define the examination pattern. So while defining the online examination pattern, you can select one or more topics. You can define the difficulty level associated with that exam. Even you can define marking scheme. So in case of say entrance exams, if there is a negative marking associated with it, then in your mock exams, it is recommended to have a negative marking as well. So you can define n number of such a mock exams based on each topic, subtopic as well as for each particular subject. So let us consider if you are preparing your students for management entrance exam, and that management entrance exam has three subjects like analytical ability, mathematical reasoning as well as English. So you can define your mock exams for each subtopic, like you can define 3 to 4 mock exams for English, where one exam will be associated with reading comprehension, another exam will be associated with the grammar. And similarly for mathematics, you can define various exams where couple of exams can be focused on number crunching, some other exams can be focused on puzzles. So this way you can define n number of exams associated with your students, and students can appear for those exams online based on your schedule. And students need to appear for those mock exams with the question timer or even exam timer. Students can appear for those mock exams in an online environment. So you can conduct those exams in an exam center or even at your coaching center. You can also use secure technologies like remote proctoring, where you can monitor those candidates while appearing for the online exam. A lot of training institutes are conducting such a mock exams in a remote proctored environment where candidates are appearing for the online exam sitting at their home, but they are not able to do any kind of malpractices, or copying is completely prevented during online examination process. So as soon as those students are able to appear for the exam, you can easily see the analytics associated with that exam. So you can also track topic wise or chapter wise performance of those students. You can also compare that student with the overall batch. You can also do overall batch analysis in terms of performance. So you can easily identify if particular topic has not been taught properly for the complete batch, then overall accuracy associated with that exam within that performance can also be analyzed based on overall batch performance. Even you can do individual student analysis based on ranking as well as percentile scores. We provide lot of analytics data associated with online exam, and that is very helpful to understand the top performers or worst performers of your students. So if you are conducting mock exams for various competitive exams, and based on that mock exam performance, you can easily provide useful feedback for the students. So to summarize, if you want to have a mock online exams, then you need to prepare for those steps. First thing would be you need to have your question bank ready, and it should be digitized on the online examination system. And next thing will be you need to import your data associated with your students in the system, and then you can define your exam pattern within the system. And if you are able to complete those testing, you can easily do the analysis of each individual student as well as overall batch performance. And it is very helpful to go paperless in order to conduct your mock exams. We have been conducting mock exams for various training as well as coaching institutes, and they are successfully able to conduct their mock exams for respective students, and their students have also provided very positive feedback about overall online examination experience. So if you would like to succeed in your coaching or training institute, or if you would like to become tech savvy, and if you would like to improve your brand image, then definitely you can go for those mock exam approach. There is a facility where you can also sell those mock exams. If any particular student want to subscribe online for your mock test series, then those students can also make online payment and can easily subscribe to those mock exams. And as soon as they are able to complete those mock exams, they will be able to track their own progress, as well as a coaching administrator, you can also track performance of the individual student as well as entire batch. It will help you to take your on examination experience completely online, and it will also help you to save cost associated with conducting various mock exams. So if you would like to conduct mock exams within your examination center, within your coaching institute, or across India at multiple exam center, then you can connect with us for the demonstration purpose. We will be happy to demonstrate how effectively you can conduct such a mock exams using our award winning platform Eklavya.